Alright, here we are again working on another project. This is a Oldsmobile that is basically not starting. We did some diagnostic on it. And as you see here, we turn the key, nothing happened. We tested started already, and we find out that this is the issue here. It has an alarm system that needs to be removed. So if you are looking for someone that can remove your alarm system from your car, give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291. We are located in North Houston, and we can remove any type of kill switch, alarm, or tracking device. So this is my number here. I will leave it on my description. And if you have a car, give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291. Thanks a lot.